Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the AliExpress app from both Android and iPhone step by step. First, go to your phone home screen and find the AliExpress app icon. Now tap and hold the AliExpress app icon. On Android, you will see icons like install or remove icon. Tap install, then confirm it. But for iPhone, a menu appears with different options. Tap on remove app, then choose delete app. Now a confirmation message appears regarding the deletion. Tap on delete to confirm, and that's how you have successfully deleted the app. The second method is that if the home screen method does not work, you can uninstall using settings. Open the setting icon. Then for Android, within the settings, look for app or app management. After that, tap on it where you will see the list of the installed app. Make sure to find the AliExpress, then tap on it, then select the uninstall and confirm. As for iPhone, within the settings, tap on general. Within it, look for iPhone storage, then click on it. Make sure to scroll down until you see AliExpress. Once you see AliExpress app, tap on it. Then within it, you will see the info related to AliExpress. Please make sure to click the delete app, then confirm it by tapping on delete app. And that's how you have successfully deleted the app from the device. Installing the AliExpress app does not delete your account, as you can reinstall the app anytime and log in back using the same details. And that's how you can install the AliExpress app from both Android and iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.